we will try to lower the fuel tank. So in order to lower the fuel tank, there is like 4 bolts that's holding it. One here, another one here, 2 fronts behind these AC pipes, I think, which is here, and one here above this. So in order to reach the bolt that is here, you will have to lower those 2 lines. You can lower those 2 lines by opening this, and there is another holder here and here. Once you open them, you will be able to lower this just like I did, and then you will get a space to put your socket in. And in order to lower this pipe, you will have to open this. So let's open it, let's remove it and see. Okay, for this bolt here, you can put your socket, like if you have a small socket, it will be fine, and then you can open it. Just make sure to put a lot of penetration oil. So we'll open it, and then we'll see how much we can lower the gas tank. So I lowered the tank as much as I can. As you see, I have limitation as it keeps touching here and here and to my left. So I opened there is a bracket here that holds the brake line to the frame. So I opened it. It was very tight, but anyways, I could open it. And now I noticed that I can pull up the handbrake, but however I cannot pull it up because I don't know how difficult it is to put the new one from that side or this side. So I'll just keep it and tie the new one with it. So let's see. But anyways, this is how you lower the fuel tank. Open the 4 bolts, and of course these lines holder, you have to open them as well. I'm not sure which one is left and right. So the 430, this is for the left side and this is for the right side, and I think that means that this will be for the driver side and this will be for the passenger side. So I'm going to need this. I'm replacing the passenger side. So what I did is I connected the handbrake table with the fishing tape, I think they call it, or you can just connect it with the rope, and I'll pull it from the tire side and let's see. So what I did is I pulled the handbrake cable, and as you see I connected it here with the fishing tape and it came out as well. Well, the thing is that is very weird. This was the mount that I unbolted, but how come this gave up so easy? It went out without opening its bolt. So I don't know if it was closed or it was open, but I just opened this and then pulled it out and it came out. So I'll try to put the cable, the new cable, on the other side, so from inside the car. So I believe I will pull the new cable. I will open this, put the new cable instead, and pull it from inside the car. I think it will be better than pulling the cable from inside out. It will be better if I pull it from outside in because of this. So I finally tightened up the bracket here that is close to the fuel tank. It's a very tight place. You will need a very small key in order to tighten it. So yeah, I am using the hoist now to raise up the fuel tank. We'll close the bolts, one here and the 2 fronts. Close this brackets and do the other brackets. As you see, the handbrake bracket was fixed up here as well, and then I will hook it up with the brake caliper.